Becoming a data analyst, a step-by-step guide. Data analysts are in huge demand today as businesses rely more heavily on data analytics to drive decision-making. If you're wondering how to become a data analyst, you've come to the right place. In this article, we'll explore the steps you need to take to launch your career in data analysis. Step 1. Acquire the necessary skills. The first step to becoming a data analyst is to acquire the necessary skills. At a minimum, you'll need a good understanding of statistics, data modeling, and programming. Data analysts typically use programming languages such as Python, R, or SQL to analyze data. You can learn these skills through online courses, boot camps, degree programs, or self-study. Some popular online learning platforms for data analysis are Coursera, Udemy, and DataCamp. Step 2. Gain practical experience. The next step is to gain practical experience. Many companies seek candidates with hands-on experience in data analysis. You can gain practical experience through internships, projects, or freelance work. You can also participate in hackathons or other data analysis competitions to improve your skills and gain experience. Step 3. Complete a degree program. While it's not always necessary, having a degree in a relevant field like statistics, computer science, or data science can give you an edge in the job market. Several universities offer graduate-level programs in data analysis, and undergraduate programs in related fields also prepare you for roles in data analysis. Step 4. Build a strong online presence. Subscribe our channel for more content related data science.